Is your head in the cloud? Well, the truth is, most organizations simply aren't prepared for their cloud transformation journey, and it's the reason why so many projects fall short. Cloud transformation and cloud migration can stall for various reasons. We'll break those down in this video. But first things first, we're Procom. We're North America's leading IT staffing and contingent workforce solutions. We specialize in sourcing leading cloud talent. That's your top GCP, Azure, AWS talent, and so much more. And if you have any questions, you can click the link in the description below to get in touch with a recruiting specialist. When it comes to the cloud, we want you to know that there are solutions that will fit your specific needs. And while cloud migration is complex, we admit that, it shouldn't be stressful. And it can be unpacked. It can be made easier by taking a step-by-step approach to planning your cloud transformation journey. You need clear objectives from the get-go. This might sound obvious, but many organizations miss that critical stage in their planning. They underestimate the level of planning and organization required. And that's why any successful cloud transformation journey starts by analyzing your organizational needs, then compiling those needs into a vision and a strategic plan. That's how you gain stakeholder buy-in. That's how you execute in a measured and consistent fashion. And that's how you optimize for progress. There's so many aspects to consider, and this could be part of the reason why your cloud transformation journey is so challenging. There's the talent acquisition aspect. There's talent retention, cost management, meeting the expectations of senior stakeholders. There's overcoming knowledge gaps, and so much more, but you can leave that part to us. So let's talk about aligning business objectives with cloud goals. Before you rush into cloud adoption, let's talk about what this really means for your organization. Think of cloud transformation like moving your business to a new city. This is visualizing the whole migration process. You need a clear reason why you're doing it. You need a solid plan, and you also need people to help you move. So first ask yourself, what business problems are you trying to solve? Are you looking to reduce IT costs, maybe speed up how you can launch new products, or maybe just improve how your teams work together? So literally, why are you doing this? And what are you trying to improve? And the more you can put it coherently and simply so that everybody can understand it, the easier you can get adoption to happen. Once you have this ready, then it's time to look at the top cloud service providers. So let's understand the cloud service providers, and let's also make the right choice. AWS. It's currently the top cloud service provider. They offer everything under one roof and are usually the most cost-effective for larger organizations. They're great if you want the widest range of services and don't mind investing in training your team or hiring specialized talent. Now, the second major cloud service provider by popularity is Microsoft Azure, and it might be the most suitable option if your company already uses Microsoft products, or if you're already in the Microsoft ecosystem, which many of us are. We're familiar with their tools, their products, and services, so it's simply the easiest transition. Then we have the Google Cloud Platform, or GCP. It's particularly strong in data analytics and artificial intelligence, which is all the talk today. So if your company needs to process large amounts of data or wants to implement AI solutions, Google Cloud might be your best bet. As a hiring manager, you'll need to align your talent search with your chosen provider. AWS professionals are the most common in the market, while Azure experts often come with broader Microsoft expertise. And of course, Google Cloud specialists typically have strong data science backgrounds. Don't forget machine learning. Okay, let's discuss cloud service models and making the right choice. So there are 3 main cloud service models as well, and this will directly impact the type of talent you need to hire. Let's talk about infrastructure as a service. So this gives your organization direct access to computing resources. That's servers, storage, and networks. Your team has complete control, but also full responsibility for managing these resources. And it requires experienced IT staff who can handle infrastructure management, security, and maintenance. Now, common examples include Amazon EC2 and Google Compute Engine. Let's talk about the second one. This is Platform as a Service, or PaaS. It provides a complete platform for developing, running, and managing applications. The cloud provider handles the infrastructure while your team focuses on application development and deployment. You'll need developers familiar with cloud platforms, but won't need extensive infrastructure expertise. Examples include Microsoft Azure App Service and Google App Engine. And then, of course, we're all familiar with software as a service. This delivers ready-to-use applications over the internet, and while this requires minimal technical management from your team, it's also limited in its customization features. One example of software as a service is Microsoft 365. Organizations often need multiple cloud solutions for very practical reasons, and different departments may require specific cloud services based on those needs. With that being said, let's talk about essential cloud roles and responsibilities. To successfully implement and manage cloud services. Cloud architects lead technical planning and design while making key decisions about the cloud architecture itself. There are required skills, often over 8 years of IT experience to really be a skilled cloud architect. They need deep knowledge of cloud platforms. Strong system design capabilities are also a bonus. Then you have your cloud developers. These developers build and maintain cloud-native applications. They implement modern development practices, and they also have required skills. Experience with cloud development tools is a must. Then, of course, there's your programming languages and modern frameworks. Then, security. Cloud security engineers go beyond just typical security, however. They actually design and implement those security measures. They monitor and respond to security threats, and they safeguard your organization. Required skills for cloud security engineers are security certifications, of course. You can think about CompTIA and everything beyond that. The more the merrier. Experience with cloud security tools, compliance knowledge, and more. Real hands-on experience beats all. Then we have DevOps engineers. You can think about this as a cross between development and operations. Nowadays, they're automating deployment and operations. They manage continuous integration and deployment pipelines. And the required skills are, of course, automation tools, scripting languages, infrastructure as code, and more. So, of course, cloud transformation is a journey that requires careful, meticulous planning with the right expertise. For this reason, success depends on clear business alignment, the right technical choices, strong talent acquisition and retention, effective cost management, and continuous monitoring and optimization. If you have any questions about the cloud transformation process or you're looking to recruit key talent, just click the link in the description down below. And when it comes to making your cloud transformation journey a success, trust Procom, the people who power performance.